All right, just a quick fun tutorial today on how to create a first-person shooter game in Unreal Engine. All right, so I've started up my Epic Games launcher. I'm going to go to Unreal Engine. I am going to launch right here, Unreal 5.5. And this will work for all older versions too, so don't worry about it. Everything's going to be the same. I'm going to choose games. So games is what I want. And I want a first person right here. You can see a little gun right there. It's got a little gun there. You can shoot things. All right. First person. Make sure you got the starter content there just in case you want to add some more stuff to it. Name your project. Person shooter. No spaces, no numbers. If you do a number or something like that, you'll get an error right here. Just delete it. Make sure you don't have a space either. Same thing, you'll get an error. All right. Tell it where to save it. Mine's going to the desktop. You can click that folder, save it wherever you want. All right. And there's our first person template right here. It's a little playground here they've built for you. All right. And there's a gun in there. I'm going to press the play this level. That will get me into it. And now I can look around. Okay, look around. Oh, I see a gun. I'm going to move forward towards it with the W key. And when I hit it, I grab it. And now I am able to. I'm able to aim it. And if I press the left mouse button, I'll shoot. So I can turn with my mouse, go forward with my W key. Aiming this thing, I gotta kind of aim that way like that. I don't like the aim, but okay, I can figure it out. All right, so that is creating a first-person shooter game. Simple, created for you, works just great. And now if you want to, you can go in here. I hit the escape key, so now I'm out of the game. You can also stop it right there. Stop, which is also escape. And I can start moving stuff around. I can change things. I can do whatever I want with this. I can build new things, new houses. Whatever I want to do with this, I can do. All right, and make your own little level. All right, so have fun, create, play.